Hello, governors. So hi, thank you so much for coming back to our channel.
Yes, we're making ornaments, and we're gonna be glittering.
Yes.
Or if you like to do this your own way, and you want to paint, that's all right with us.
Yes.
We're just trying to do this with glitter.
Glitter. Glitter.
And a marker if you want to use one.
Your hieroglyph, or how do you say this? Your calligraphic pen, because I'm writing our names on them. Your ornaments.
Okay.
And some E6000 glue. And I would lay down a towel if you have someone like P. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna write our names on the ornaments. As you can see, Pierre's already writing his name on his ornaments. Show them. Oh, well, when you finish, Pierre, just show them on the camera.
My ornament has my name. Pretty sloppy.
It's okay.
Okay.
And I think I'm gonna write my name in cursive.
I'm gonna write my dad.
Do you know how to spell your dad's name?
Can I just write dad?
Yes.
First, these melodies look like this.
You want me to write it or you want to write it? Here, I'll write the name and then you can just glitter it up, okay? There's a
I got the black topper.
and I got his dad's name written on it. So now we got the names all written down on the ornaments. Pierre's getting the glitter together. So now we're going to take the E6000 adhesive spray and we're going to spray the inside of the
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
ornament.
6, 7, 8, 9.
So we're going to open up the ornament.
We got a dozen colors to pick up. That
I
means
didn't think this through, huh?
that means 11.
I don't know how we're gonna. Pierre decided to use paint for his dad's ornament. So we're going to put the paint on the inside, which he's doing now. Ooh, that
Thanks for watching, guys.
It was our first time doing this and we had fun doing it. Really, Pierre got a tad bit frustrated, but that is it. I do thank you guys for watching, and again, if you want to join our family, please like and subscribe. Me and Pierre do activities at least once a week, so you can see something with me and Pierre on my channel once a week. And you guys have a blessed day and Merry Christmas. Bye.